Naligo na sa bird bath. Mm. That's wati. Ooh, kaon siya wati. Mga manay lang kaonon. Every day. Hello. Hmm. Away na aron. It's a morning dove, guys. It sounded like it's crying. And the spinach is sprouting good. Spinach. Wow. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog, and my project for today is this one. Mm. This is where I dump my twigs, my branches that I cut over here. There. See, there's a lot of mosquitoes. Oh, this is the bird bath. I have to change it. Ooh, poor birds. Gonna change this. Put some water, fresh one. My hummingbird magnet. Still waiting for the hummingbirds. Where are they? Where are they? I don't know where they are. They're not coming. Ooh! Ooh! See? Mosquitoes are everywhere. Ooh. See how beautiful my flowers. Cucumbers are getting big. Okay. Eggplant too, bearing fruit. Okay, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash them all. Okay, that's good. Guys, I'm gonna change that bird bath with this one because that has holes in it. This was used before last year when I bought two little chicks that has been eaten by a coyote. So this is what I will replace. Yan guys, it's all done. I cleaned it up. So I'll have another project on the other side of the house. Itong pear tree ko, ako siyang i-trim yung mga dead branches. Yan, dead branch. Dead branch. And then, ito rin. Ito. Yung mga patay na. Ito na guys, itatapon ko na. And I have here an apple tree. Hindi pa siya namulaklak. Maybe in July? No, this is June already. Ooh, it might not flower. Kasi August harvest na eh. May surprise ako sa inyo guys. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Look. Flowers. Nabukadkad na sila. Yan. Ganda. Kaso lang, isang ulit lang sila namulaklak. And then pagkatapos wala na. Humid, look. I'm sweating a lot. So ito lang muna. I'll share the updates later. Good morning guys! Kagagaling ko lang sa labas. Naglilinis yung mga kalat at nagtitrim ng trees. fruit trees, and then dilig-dilig saglit, and then time for breakfast. Yan, I have cherries, pears, plantain. This is similar to ano ba yan? Tindok. That's what we call this in Mindanao, tindok. And then I have orange juice. I have my power tea and my peanut butter for my plantain. Guys, pineapple juice or orange juice has a lot of sugar. So my trick is to put half of the pineapple juice and half water. So that will prevent us from having too much sugar in our blood. And I'm sorry, I am so sweaty. And kain muna tayo. See you later. Guys, I have here ginger, ako ning itanom. Tulo ka buok celery. Water lang, see? Andyan. And we have pineapple. And we have manga. And today I'll be cooking sinigang. I know, not sinigang. Inununan. So I will put this and talong. Walay okra, wala sa store. So, next time na lang. Ayan, that's it. Hi guys, I'm going to my dental appointment today at 12:30 to have my teeth fixed. Here, lower part, I don't have nothing here. So, I will need dentures. So, I'll see you there. Now, I'm here at a dental clinic, guys. But I'm not allowed to get in. I have to call the number. And they will give me instructions of where to go. So, I have to stay here and call them. So, guys, I just finished out filling out this information, patient forms, and the receptionist wanted me to fill this out here in the car because there is one patient out there waiting. So this will be my waiting area before I will be seen by the dentist. Okay, that's all for now. So the appointment, guys, is really good. The dentist made the examination himself, and I was fitted with what do you call it, partial dentures. And the office, the clinic is really high tech. Everything is high tech and expensive too. And the bad thing is the insurance doesn't pay for it, and I have to pay it by credit card. So anyways, it's good for me because my jaw is already affected. I'm clenching a lot, and my muscles on my jaw, that's why it's getting bigger here and sore. That's because of the malfunction. So I'll see him again in 2 weeks.